and he starts off with a huge barrel roll. Brings him back onto the display line and immediately onto the knife edge, and then into the inverted. A 4-point hesitation roll on this run.
Using all three axes of the flight control system there to maintain a perfect, straight and level trajectory. Single Pratt & Whitney Canada PC-9M turboprop of 950 shaft horsepower driving this machine, a turboprop engine ubiquitous across countless platforms the world over. And now Andre bringing it along for a really lovely manoeuvre. I always like to see this. This is a loop with a roll at the apex.
Positioning into the vertical for a still turn with a roll.
S. So first half of the loop, pushing to -1, rolling, and then completing a second half loop. As Mark said, it's not just used for training in the Slovenian Air Force, the PC-9M. They have an important front-line function as well, because Slovenia doesn't have any combat aircraft of its own in the fast jet class. So they're employed on close air support, light attack, convoy protection duties. They can also be used to intercept slow-moving targets if necessary. Now this time, it's into the vertical with a quarter roll on the way up, heading outbound on the B-axis, but throwing in 2 more rolls. Aircraft up, another 360-degree roll in the vertical, and this is for a tail slide. And he exits it in 1 1/4 rolls,
Giving it for maximum rate turn.
perhaps the smallest radius maximum rate turn that we've seen today.
Quarter roll into the inverted, and this time it's the inverted cubinate with a further inverted to inverted roll on the way up. I'm not tracked the number of times you've said inverted so far. And now you've put the undercarriage down. He'll be rolling with the gear extended.
Inverted yet again, but this time a negative G version of a loop with a roll on the top.
This is absolutely stunning.
One of the most testing manoeuvres to fly. He's conducted that over virtually the whole length of the runway. Absolutely